Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got an awesome watch face to check out by my man MD. Now, I don't know how I missed this one, but listen, I think it's free in the Gear Manager store for a limited time. I am not positive, but make sure right after the video you go ahead and you go download. Now, the name of the watch face is called MD95 Premium Digital Watch Face. And premium is exactly what it is, people. Now, taking a look at the watch face, it looks really nice. I'm loving the layout. I like the design that he brought to the table. 4 thumbs up in the door for this one. Now in the AOD mode, you're gonna love this look. It looks really nice for a digital watch face. But when we turn this watch face on, what I'm liking about the layout up at the top, this is your timeline for your day. Haven't seen anything like that. I'm giving 2 more thumbs up to DW for that one. It looks good. Everything is sectioned off beautifully. You got your digital time. To the side, you got all your step status information from steps, miles walked around, your heart rate, floors climbed. Down at the bottom, you got your day and your date. I mean, he really did his thing with this one. He gives you S voice. You can go into settings. You can find your phone. So you get other shortcuts up at the top. You got your music, battery meter right here, and you got a very unique second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. I'm telling you, this man, he laid it out. And you get your battery percentage down at the bottom. You can't beat this with a baseball bat, people. Go download this one. Now, I can't change the theme. Check this out. I'm loving it, people. We're going to cycle through all the colors because you got to see what you're going to be in for when you download this free watch face. I'm telling you, MD did his thing with this one. Don't know how I missed it, though. Do not know. So he gives you quite a few, people. Just cycle through till you get to the one you like and call it a day. Today, it is the weekend, people. So I suggest you go ahead and download now. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this freebie alert. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, people, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy your weekend. Party like it's 1999. Most of all, be safe. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.